back to Sincerely Legenia, where I make delicious keto and low-carb recipes that are easy and quick for you and your family. Hey guys, today I have just finished eating the most delicious vegetable wrap. I mean, complete vegetable, and that's not like me because I am a meat and potatoes girl. Well, this vegetable wrap is not only satisfying, but it's so quick and easy to make. I cannot wait to dive in. So sit back, relax, and watch this video because I promise you, you're gonna wanna make All right, so now we're gonna add some seasoning. I'm first gonna start out with a little bit of olive oil. A little olive oil on our veggies. Then we're gonna add about a tablespoon of salt. Then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of fresh chopped garlic. About a teaspoon of pepper. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of oregano. All right, and let's mix that up. Okay, we've got our baking sheet here. I'm gonna spread our vegetables on the baking sheet, and all of that seasoning is here in the bottom. If you saw that seasoning in the bottom, make sure you get all of that deliciousness out of there and get it on these vegetables. Okay. All right, now let's spread them out. Now remember, for these vegetable wraps, you can use whatever mixture of vegetables that you like, whatever medley of vegetables would be good. This is what we have in our pantry right now, in our refrigerator right now. So this is what I'm gonna use. But again, any vegetable that you like would be perfect in these wraps. Okay, now I'm gonna put these in the oven at 425 degrees for about 15 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna constantly be checking to see if they are done, if they get that nice char look on top. So, into the oven they go. All right, we're gonna make a delicious basil pesto to go on our vegetable wraps. So to begin making our basil pesto, we're gonna start out with about 1.5 cups of fresh basil. Gonna put that into a good food processor, or if you have a really good blender, that would be great as well. Your traditional basil pesto is made with pine nuts. For this basil pesto, we're gonna be using almonds. So I have about 1/4 cup of almonds, and almonds are fine too. You can also make basil pesto with walnuts, with pecans. Any of those are just fine. The taste will be different, so it's just depending upon the taste that you like, and I like almonds just fine. We're gonna need 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Put that in there. We're going to need 1/4 cup of a really good olive oil. And then lastly, we're going to add a pinch of salt. All right, let's get to blending. Let's first pulse it. Nice pulse before we start that good. Okay, let's check it out. All right, we want our pesto to have a nice pasty consistency to it. So let's see. Yep, I would say that's about it. Now we'll definitely be able to tell by the taste. I'll tell you what, it certainly does smell good. Good stuff. I think it needs a little bit more olive oil. So let's add a little bit more. A bit more olive oil. All right, let's try it again. All right, let's taste it one more time. Perfect. All right, we've got our homemade basil pesto for our vegetable wraps. All right, we're checking on our vegetables and we're in between cooking time, and so now it's time to flip these over. Oh, they smell wonderful. Wonderful. Do you guys see that? So I'm just going to flip them a little bit here. And actually, you know what? I really don't think I need to cook these that much longer. I don't think I need to cook these that much longer. I'm gonna give them maybe 2 or 3 more minutes in the oven. All right, our veggies are done. We're gonna take them out of the oven now. Turn that off. We're gonna take these out of the oven now. And we're going to let them cool. We can't put them on the wraps while they're hot. So we're gonna allow these to cool for a few moments. All right, friends, it's now time to put our wraps together. Are you ready for this? I'm gonna be using these mozzarella cheese wraps that I got at my local Kroger Signature store. And so let's get one of these out. That over to the side. To begin with our vegetable wraps, we're gonna first lay down, I have this beautiful red leaf lettuce. It was so beautiful in the store, I just had to use it. We're gonna also put down a few tomato slices. A few tomato slices, put that there. And as always, you guys know I like to season everything, every layer. So I'm gonna season that a little bit. And pepper. I'm so excited. Actually, too, I'm gonna put some lettuce right there at that end as well. There we go. Perfect. All right, can you guys see good? All right, now I'm gonna get our delicious roasted veggies. Y'all, these smell so good. I have my zucchini. I'm gonna lay across here. My zucchini, and now my peppers and my onions. I mean, I'm fixing to load it up. I don't know if I'm gonna have room for anything else. My red and green bell pepper, the onion, the carrots. I'm piling it on. I mean, it's a vegetable wrap, right? Oh my gosh. These vegetables taste so good just by Oh my goodness. And of course, I've got to put my basil pesto. Oh yeah. Yes, honey. Oh, yes. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. All right, and here we have it. Our vegetable wrap. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to wrap it up. I've piled this stuff on so good. It's probably gonna be more like a taco. Let's see. Am I gonna be able to wrap it, y'all? What? A little bit. Let's see. Look at that. Roasted vegetable wrap. Let it come to a kitchen near you. Do y'all see that? Y'all see it? Do y'all see that? Okay, it's time to taste this. Let's eat. All right, guys, here we go. It's roasted vegetable wrap. It is falling apart. I think I stuffed it a little too much. I stuffed it a little too much. It don't even matter. Tell you what will help. Let me go ahead and cut this in half. Let me do that. Cut it in half. There we go. Aha. There we go. Okay. See that, guys? Roasted vegetable wrap. Keto approved. Y'all see those delicious veggies in there? So happy. I have no words right now. Y'all, I'm telling you. Take it from a meat lover. You don't have to have meat with every meal. Get you some delicious vegetables like these here. Put your favorite seasonings on them. Put them in one of these cheese wraps. You're not missing anything. I promise you are not. This is so unbelievably good. Hold up. The zucchini, these onions which caramelize in the oven, that chopped garlic, roasted red bell pepper, and then this basil pesto. My God, my God. This joy that I have, world can't take it away. Look how good. Thank you, Lord. This reminds me of God's goodness and how much He loves us. Everything in this wrap, everything in this wrap came from the ground. All goodness that God just gave us freely. You guys, make yourself one of these. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. You will not. I gotta go. Well, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me again today in my kitchen. I hope you get a chance to try these vegetable wraps. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. They are so good. You guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscription button, leave me a comment, and let me know that you are here. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Until then, have a blessed and prosperous week, and I'll talk to you next time. Sincerely, Legenia.